Will paying rent to them get you a tax deduction? Can you save up tax if you pay rent to your own family? Will this be considered tax evasion or can it be tax planning? Well, good for you that I, Alina Elizabeth from TaxScan, is here to tell you how you can get an HRA exemption by paying rent to your parents or spouse. Section 10, 13A of the Income Tax Act 1962 deals with HRA. Neither the Act nor the income tax rule prohibit the eligibility of an HRA deduction claim for the rent paid to your parents or spouse. Hence, such an arrangement is tax planning. But the tax department often challenges this claim as it could be a sham and a penalty may be imposed if there are no genuine documentation and proof to support your claim. Now let me show you how you can be eligible for such a claim legitimately. The recent ruling of Abhay Kumar Mittal's case by the Delhi Income Tax Appellate Tribunal showed the legal clarity of such claims. And to be eligible for this claim, you need a legitimate arrangement. Now don't you worry, that's why I'm here to help you out. Firstly, the ownership of the rented housing accommodation should not be with the claimant. It should be owned by the parent or the spouse, whoever you are paying the rent to. This is a condition clearly mentioned in the Income Tax Act. The deduction cannot be claimed even if you are a co-applicant of a loan on the premises. Secondly, you should have a legal rent agreement with the timely payment of rent through checks or bank transfers with proper receipt of payment. Third, and the most important, is that the rental income received should be taxed as income from housing property by the spouse or the parent. Hence, the family should always calculate their combined tax to gauge whether the arrangement increases or decreases their tax liability. This is especially valid when both the spouses fall under the same tax bracket. This tax deduction can be claimed even to the rent paid to other relatives. Some complication may arise when this tax planning is done to the rent paid to your spouse. This is because a married couple is considered to stay together, and the basic elements of a commercial agreement are absent in such relationships. Hence, various courts in the past has denied such claims. And in the light of the case law that I mentioned earlier, we can see that this scrutiny can be avoided if the spouse has an independent source of income other than the rental income. Well, with this, I hope to have cleared all your doubts. And for further clarification, visit our website at the link below. Until next time, adieu.